just about to admit something foolish here, right?
No, just filming now, waiting for you to say something.
Oh,
Skid Factory after hours, during hours. Today we are, I don't want to say half-assed, but it's a little bit half-assed. We are fixing a steering box for a 1987 Toyota Crown wagon you may be familiar with on this other channel called the Skid Factory. It has developed a noise in the front end, which, wait, did you finish the episode saying there still was a noise or not?
No.
You thought you fixed it anyway.
I thought I sorted it.
Westy thought that he'd fixed the noise in the car, but he actually didn't. He fixed many of other things, but not the noise that I was tuning into, which funnily enough is actually the steering box itself. The play in the box is so in between the sector and the piston in the car at the moment must be too excessive. We've adjusted it up to get rid of the noise, but in turn the steering box is now way too tight. So it's just, there's something wrong with that box in the car. This here is the original steering box out of the car, and the reason why this is not in the car was because it had a leak from the input from here, from this seal right here. And my fix was buy a second-hand steering box and put it in, because this was a couple of years ago when I was going to go to Rocky Nuts or something. And
mind you, this whole thing has to come off to get the seal out.
Yeah.
The collar there, it's not.
The whole power head has to be pulled apart, which is actually
swapping the seal out. Yeah.
it's here with roller bearing. So I have to now. I want to fix that noise, and two, funnily enough, there's actually a leak from this power steering box now, which we think we've actually fixed now. But anyway, I just want to get rid of that box, and I want to work back with what is original. So I have dismantled this already, and this is not a how-to video. If you want to know how to fix your steering box, then you may watch other videos on YouTube, because there's actually plenty of info out there. This is purely a Woody and Westy stuffing around in the shed,
making it happen.
Sweet.
Like so many of you can relate to, I'm sure.
And making it happen. This is my special tool for the, I don't even know what you'd call that. Maybe a retainer. I don't know. You've got to get some Steelsons on there.
I don't know what you call it.
Just a nut, really. But
it is a nut. Yeah. Special word.
I've got two seal kits because this steering box is quite special in that it has a 32mm sector shaft, yet the piston that should be matched to this sector, instead of being 72, is 74mm. So I've had to buy two kits, which I just got from a local steering shop. There's Teflon seals, O-rings, washers, everything to do. So we are going to put it back together. I hate wearing gloves, eh?
Yeah.
You got that little O-ring in behind there, didn't you?
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do right now.
Sweet. Our mate just said watch out for the O-ring behind, that's all. Everything's so rock hard because it's been bloody... Oh, that's actually not too bad.
Yeah.
Exposed to Barras.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm not too sure if I'm doing this the right way either, but I've got the Teflons on there. And they're kind of stretched a little bit, but it seems to go on. This, I think you call this part the power head, I believe.
Servo, is it?
Servo?
Servo?
Little bit of ATF, cool. Instead of using a screwdriver or something, a pick to scratch a surface, you can't do it with Teflon, but rubber O-rings, if you pinch them, you can use air pressure to raise the O-ring out of the groove, and that way you can pick it up without damaging the sealing surface or even the seal itself. The bearings and everything else in this are also perfectly fine. Had a little look over everything, made sure everything was all good, and I'm happy with it. Good afternoon, Skid Factory after hours. This is Woody.
Hey my lovey, can we find any meals left in the shed?
Yeah, there's two here, yeah.
There's two.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Did I say that I was up to 1? Damn it! Oh yeah, slipped him. I guess my bolts are not strong enough. Back to the drawing board with that special tool. This is take 3, I believe it is now, of trying to align shit.
Bro.
What do you mean by bro? Did you go the wrong way? Nah, that one, it fell inside the piston, bro.
There.
Yeah, to pull it apart. Take 5 maybe now. Don't lose any of these balls. You know that there's a correct way to do this.
And this isn't it?
Yeah, I don't think so. I think it is, but we're just kooks.
We'll know the correct way once we get it.
Yeah.
Right.
Once again, this video is not a how-to. Make sure there's nothing stuck in there. I just know that the last time there was one at the end. From the one here. Oh, take 7. There's bloody shit on the lens. Oh, it's so dirty. See, I did it this way and screwed it out, but then it came to the end, and then the balls fell into the abyss.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm trying it the other way. But I feel like if you do it in the middle and you just jam the balls in there and push them through, they should push through. That is not a good tripod. Needs to be. This can's a bit heavier. This is a good tripod. There we go. You could have seen before I've stacked the transfer tube with grease and put the O-rings, ball bearings in that one, and now I'm ready to smash it on. Fingers crossed. It just works. Hang on. Is there a right way and a wrong way? No, because it's exactly the same. It's ambidextrous.
Ooh.
I liked your word better. What was that? Fuselage. No, what'd you say?
Can't remember.
Where did I get fuselage from?
No, it was. It'll come to me. Jubilation.
Jubilation. Is it with a D or a G?
J.
Feeling good. Like it should. Sweet.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Excellent.
This one's got to come
It's
out.
got to come out,
Yep.
plunger and whatnot.
Need 10 hands, eh?
You do.
There needs to be more minutes in a day and you need more than 2 hands.
Yeah.
Alright.
Those extra hands can't be attached to other people that don't know what they're doing or want to charge you a fee.
Oh, I like that idea. Are you liking the raw video with no audio and Westy and I talking junk? Can you see in there, sir? That little, this little Teflon. There's my pointer stick.
What's your pointer?
That little Teflon, it's not a seal. What is it? It is a seal.
It's like a wiper.
How am I going to do this with 2 hands and a camera in my phone?
With some of those
A
extra
camera
hands.
in my phone, a camera in my hand.
Some of those extra hands that we need
A little bit dyslexic.
It's just that front bit, really.
Yeah,
The rest
but I
of
think
it's
it
sort of
kind
going
of
in
goes.
okay.
There we go.
Right.
How many coffees you had?
No coffees.
Oh, I didn't make the noise, damn it.
Whoop.
Go on, why not?
Why not?
We need more than 1 hand, bro.
Yeah.
That's enough for me. That's enough for me. Sec to go brr. Just gonna do some t-shirt cam, hang on.
T-shirt cam.
T-shirt cam. Gives a feel.
Oh mate, it's good.
You reckon that's good?
Yeah.
Is that centre now?
Yeah.
Alright. Sweet. Centre, yeah, it's a bit. There's a bit there, isn't there?
Pushing it from here.
Yeah, that's from the resistance end, yeah. Alright, sweet. I don't know if I've got any bolts for this. Oh yeah, I do. That's a job well done then.
It is, bro.
Let's bust out the CRC black zinc. I don't have any actually. Damn. Got like,
Just because we've used it all.
yeah, a quarter of a can. I've got to make a new line for this too.
New line.
Yeah, I need a dash 6 weld on, unless you want to do some Westy stuff.
Yeah.
Make a hydraulic fitting out of nothing.
Paper clips.
Here you go, I'll give you that to work with.
A bit much, bro. I don't need nearly that much material. I'll forge some paper clips, bro.
Do we fit it on this video? Nah.
See what point we got to. Let's get these made up, clean it up, paint it, and then what time we got.
Alright. Well, you got to make them in the car actually. Because I don't know the lengths.
Yep. Which one have we got to make?
The feed.
To that one.
Yeah, sure. Is that the feed? Yeah.
I think so. Okay.
It's better to fix a car.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
I think I'm being a bit too pedantic, to be honest. That's why I'm.
Yeah, but you just like me, man. You just get in your head and then you can't drop them like rattles and squeaks. Just it's a permanent fixture until it's fixed. Okay.